By murders trial has wrapped up for the weekend in Carroll County. Testimony resumes on Monday. Today, prosecutors called a single witness, the lead investigator who first interviewed defendant Richard Allen about the murders of Abby Williams and Libby German. Caitlin Kendall has the latest.
One witness was heard here on day 8 in Delphi, Indiana State Police Lieutenant Jerry Holman. He's the lead investigator in this case. He was called as a state's witness by the prosecution. His testimony largely centered around the interrogation of Richard Allen before he was arrested in 2022. Holman said going into the interview, he believed without a doubt it was Allen's .40 caliber cartridge found by investigators at the crime scene, where the bodies of Abby Williams and Libby German were found in 2017. In the interview, Holman said Allen denied any involvement in the murders despite being asked 20 to 25 times. He also says Allen told him no one had ever borrowed any of his clothes, his car, or his gun. During the interview, Allen said he could not explain how the round found at the crime scene, believed to be his, got there. Holman testified to asking Allen about his comment about it being over. Allen replied the damage had already been done, that investigators interviewed his neighbors and co-workers and everyone already believed he was guilty. In that interview, Holman says Allen told them he wasn't going to say he did something he didn't do, adding he didn't care what they did to him. When explaining his expertise in interviews, Holman shared some of the common signs of deception people being interviewed might display, but he added Allen showed no major signs. Yet when Holman told Allen he believed he was a good man, Allen asked what kind of person would kill 2 girls. At the conclusion of the interview, Holman said Allen told them to take all their evidence and just arrest him. During cross-examination, the defense questioned the constitutionality of that interview, saying there was no proof Allen was ever read his Miranda rights. Toward the end of cross-examination, Holman testified that early in the investigation, he believed multiple people could have been involved. However, he now believes Richard Allen acted alone. It'll resume on Monday morning starting at 9 a.m. at the Carroll County Courthouse. We're expecting to hear from a DNA expert sometime soon. And we also know we're now going to see video from those interviews that Richard Allen had with police. In Carroll County, Caitlin Kendall, WRTV.